we think adventure should be enjoyed until the very last bite. Meals are an essential part of being in the outdoors, and to us, the sporks on the market have never quite measured up. So we decided to create one that does. Introducing Morsel, a versatile utensil for cooking, eating, and cleaning. A tool designed to rethink the way we eat on the go. Morsel has a unique rubber edge that allows you to easily scrape every last bit of food. The ergonomic asymmetrical shape fits plates, pots, bags, and bowls of all shapes and sizes. The extended length is perfect for digging deep without getting your hands dirty. Morsel also features a full-sized fork and a safe cutting edge for slicing through tough foods. We've spent the last year designing, prototyping, and testing. The result is the best camping utensil we've ever used. If you've been hungry for a better utensil, your search is over. Morsel, for every last bite.
Even though I want to bring home my best shots from the places I visit, there's no reward in schlepping around lots of luggage and gear. So here's our story. Hi, this is Gert.
And this is Tobias. We are a father-son team with a background in filmmaking and photography.
In our work, we've come up with tools that help us get better results quicker. Today, we like to show you our new universal stabilizer. Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, birdwatcher, or hunter, our new product will stabilize your lens, scope, or barrel perfectly from the hip. We call it Steadify. Steadify solves 3 problems. First, the ground might be too unstable for a tripod or a monopod. Steadify will stabilize your device whether you're standing or flying.
Second, you will stay completely mobile while aiming. There is no hassle with the tripod's weight and setup. Steadify is small, fast, and stunningly effective. You will get crisp photos, beautifully smooth videos, and you won't fatigue in standby. It shrinks your luggage significantly and gives you great results with minimal effort.
Lastly, Steadify stays snug on your hip, so you don't have to carry it. It's always within reach and set up within seconds. Whisper quiet. If you're a fan of the outdoors, Steadify will give you the stability and flexibility you need. And with your support, we'll be able to finish our production and bring our new stabilizer to the market. Thank you.
Thank you.
45 quart capacity. You can keep your favorite.
I bet you're wondering why this guy is twirling around trying to make a plastic box sound interesting. No wonder this party is dull. Let's face it, we live in an age of Bitcoin, Instagram, and whatever that is. There's no doubt that times have changed. So why do we still use the same old coolers? When I think coolers, I think infinite coolers. With its 61 quart capacity and chill divider, you can keep items cold for up to a week. It also has a removable cutting board with reusable plates and utensils.
Did you say cooled up to a week?
That's right, old-timer.
Oh, look at all the room in here. Duh.
How'd that get there?